What's up, buddy?
What's up?
So how you feel about going on a cruise?
Great.
You feel great? What you think you gonna do?
Probably get some food the first day because our hotel is not going to be here yet.
Oh, you don't think the room might be ready? Oh, those are your new sneakers?
Yep.
Uh-huh. That you got for the cruise? Let me see. Oh, I like them. No. Yeah, them is called the Penny Hardaways.
Look inside. It has like little basketballs inside.
Mm-hmm. So what else you think you gonna do?
Get some food, go to the hotel. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, well.
See. Subscribe to the channel.
And we'll see what's going on.
Yep.
All right?
All right.
So are you ready?
I am.
You think you're gonna enjoy it?
I know I'm gonna enjoy it with my family.
It's very much needed, right?
Oh, stop. Yes.
I was in charge.
Okay.
Zach, what is all that stuff? Is that out your book bag?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Well.
Jack and fam, subscribe. Watch our journey.
Subscribe. Thank you. What you think is gonna be better, Myrtle Beach or Bahamas? I think Myrtle Beach because it got like a lot of cool lights. But wait and see until we get to Bahamas.
Yeah, because when you went, you were what, 2? Now you 7, so you don't remember that.
Yep.
Do you remember any of it?
No.
No. Well, we'll see. The dog is gonna sniff it.
What the dog gonna do, huh?
The dog is gonna sniff it to make sure there ain't no bomb or nothing in it, no drugs, anything like that. Super happy. Well, y'all, we almost there. Getting ready to get on the boat. Want to have a good time. Enjoy ourselves. It's been a while since we've been on a cruise. So I'm excited. Last time Zachariah was on the cruise, he was 2 years old. So he's 7 now. So it's been a while. Same thing for you. You was about a teenager, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so 22 now.
I had a squeaky voice.
Yeah, you had a little squeaky voice. So very much needed. Here we go. Getting ready to get on this ship. 2024. Oh yeah. How you doing?
To visit our master station, which is one deck up to deck 4. That's where you see all the master stations.
Okay. Wow, okay. Thank you. Boy jamming already. Good to see you again. What are we doing? What we got to do? So what are we doing? What we got to do? What is the muster station?
The briefing?
Oh, we're not gonna skip the briefing this time? We're not gonna do that? Muster station C.
Buckle it up, and make sure your strips and guides. Make sure life jacket has a whistle, a flashlight, and two reflectors.
make sure the number of people in your cabin matches the number of life jackets that will be in your cabin. If there's any missing, you just contact your services. That's it, guys.
That's the question right there. Carnival Sunshine. Zach, what you think, buddy?
Cleaning. For the next 4 days, you don't have to worry about work or school. So we're gonna wave goodbye and sing it out. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, goodbye. One more time. Na na na. Hey. Okay. What?
That's the sound.
It's moving.
Ready to see it pull off? That's the sound. Let's go see. We about to leave, y'all. We leaving Charleston. No, I like it's a Navy ship. What ship it is, I don't know. Pretty cool though. Who might be on there?
Oh, okay.
So what we doing now, Mama?
Camp. Find out about this camp. Then we're gonna grab some dinner.
Without me? Without me?
Without you? No.
Why?
We wouldn't do that without you, buddy.
It's okay, Zach.
Don't
Don't do that again. You don't do that. Now, what if it squeezed you?
It would open.
It might have chopped off your arm. You don't want that, right? Huh?
Carnival would have your arm.
destination.
So you said we're going to the camp
To the camp.
to figure out what to do about him, so he can enjoy some other time with the kids, and the adults can enjoy some time with the adults. Yeah. So you ride with us, or you ride on your own? What you doing?
With y'all.
Oh, today. And then what? After
Is it
that,
tomorrow? Is it tomorrow? I'm
gonna be exploring tomorrow.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Today I'm gonna be
You was gonna say
hanging
what?
out with y'all all day.
He's living.
Tomorrow I'll be exploring the ship.
I was gonna say that tomorrow.
Yeah, that was smart, son. So where we need to go?
Right here. Oh, you here?
No, I don't. Is the Camp Ocean? Is that where he going? Is that where he going though?
That's on. That's over there. All the way over there. That's where the slide's at. So it's over there. That way. If you read it. Side track. That's on the other side.
You were right. Camp Ocean. Uh-oh.
Like, okay, so right now, we cannot do that because we're already having activities happening. Okay. So that was earlier. This is tech, right? Okay. So you already feel like online. That's to double check, no some allergies or restrictions.
Almost. Yes, them are all your sleeping pants.
Turn around again.
No.
It's like you
Turn to the front.
It's like you about to go swim in the Olympics.
Turn to the back.
No, I'm not doing that. Like,
Y'all didn't hear me knocking on the door?
no.
When?
I mean on the not the door, the
Yeah,
wall.
I was locking back.
But it's day 2, y'all.
And our train already ready.
Already up, burning me up.
And we still stuck in the bed like old people.
So me and Kitty can go ourselves since you're not ready.
No, we're gonna get ready, y'all. Wait on us. We go like a family. Why y'all wanna leave us?
I don't know. Cause we're brothers.
You realize with your little pants? Where are you going at with that?
I'm glad you came here first.
Yeah, cause
Them size.
we had to come in here cause we had to get my shoes.
Hey, did you didn't know? Y'all got to y'all rushed me and y'all got him all ashy and stuff like that. You been in the room?
Ain't no y'all.
Well, I said.
Did you pick your hair? So y'all rushing me and y'all want me to get it.
No, I said I need some lotion. He said no.
What happened to your clothes that was on top of this chair? That I told you to put on the chair? And why ain't it smell like a locker room?
Day 2 already. All the clothes in there? Yes. Mama fussing and the clothes in there?
No, because he should have had the correct clothes on.
Oh, this?
And how's it all the way over there? It was iron. How's it all the way over there?
It is iron.
How's it over there? I had to come up here.
You want to answer the question? It didn't match?
Supposed to wear a dress down shirt.
Oh, okay.
Put the shirt on.
You know?
Take
No.
that shirt off.
Why you wear a dress down shirt?
That I want you to keep all your stuff in one area. Now just step on your glasses. Thank God I didn't break them. Why
Mom.
glasses on the floor?
Mama on fire this morning. See how y'all made Mama mad? That does look much better. A whole lot better. Yes, there we go.
Bro, rub your hands. Put it on your
Day 2. That's all right, but
Now who's ready?
but
Who's
no,
not ready?
but no. It
leg.
took
I'm ready. You know.
it took him 5 minutes to get that correct.
Zach, did you lotion your legs or just open your arms?
It took.
Lotion your arms.
He opened his arms.
Did you just open your arms?
He opened his arms.
Now you lotioned your arms. I don't know how you open your arms. That's something new.
He opened his arms. He
Okay.
opened his arms. And looked
Okay.
at his arms.
All right.
What kind of spot? Look at you. Okay, you done lotioning? Okay, turn around for Daddy to see your knees. You done lotioning.
Ocean it? What's going on with the? Look at that. No.
Let's go.
Come on, snowman.
He tried to pull his pants out and cover his knees and knees.
Yeah.
No, that's you question was to ask you.
Those slides.
All right, Mama, are we ready to go now?
I was thinking of y'all.
I'm waiting on who is y'all.
I was thinking of
How was y'all day one?
Good.
It was good. What did you do?
We watched the boat move, and me and KJ went to breakfast by ourselves.
Y'all went to breakfast by yourself. So are y'all ready? Y'all ready for day 2?
Yes. I don't like how you just try to separate yourself from us already, okay?
Uh-oh.
Like here, stop trying to run from your parents and sit at the burden. Alright, go ahead.
All right, day 2.
Feet move to the beat.
His battle cry, so we need to hear that one more time. You ready? 3, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking about. That's the battle cry. Give it a one more time for it. Lips. So let's continue with this. Now we have this dangerous and fluffy and adorable and wild peacock. So you have to say, take the judges and everybody else from this wild peacock. Deja, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Daddy and son pass. Take it to the net. All right, let's go. Husband tired now. Let me go get my man and my son some water. Go, babe, go, babe.
me. I'm for Where your brother at? Let me go get y'all some water. Y'all, this is what happens when you old school. This is what happens when you're old school, trying to hang out with the young cats. But you showed them now. And look at the young cats. They're still going strong. How many fingers I got up there? How many fingers? You see? 5. You flicking me off? You need some water? All right, I'll be back. Them boy hot and tired. They just get through balling. Ants, you good? Look how you going down the steps. Like he about to fall over.
So Zach, what are we doing this morning?
Going to the beach.
Where are we?
At the Bahamas.
We're at the Bahamas.
I got a 6-pack.
And it looks like the ship is pulling in right now. So we on day 3.
Yes, sir. We got 2 more days.
Getting ready to relax at the beach. Strong boy over here.
You put lotion on your legs. How many legs?
So day 1 we were at the sea. Day 2 was a full day at the sea. And then now we made it to the Bahamas and we're getting ready to chill out.
You going to the beach with those socks on?
That's the same thing. Daddy got the same thing on. You know how guys are. They don't have nice feet like yours. You want to cross like this.
Yeah, see, man.
You wanted to go over your feet
I'll take it off.
Not like this?
I'll take it off when you get in that water.
Put it back on. When we leave.
That's how we work. See, ladies? They got the pretty feet. See how pretty her feet are? Beautiful.
Combs, though.
Beautiful. That's okay. I don't see no corns. I see beauty.
What is that?
Thank you.
What's this?
Put those Crocs in sports mode.
Son, you like a model or something? Get down, boy. Like you want a model for a GQ magazine. Get down.
Got a little chin beard.
Mustache a little.
Little mustache a little.
6-pack.
6-pack.
Tell them boy your Snapchat.
Your Snapchat so folks can follow you, kid. How y'all doing? My Instagram.
Don't get nervous.
Your Snapchat.
Don't get nervous.
Oh, you doing both?
Kevin51. My Snapchat is Kevin_Nelson45.
Get down.
Ooh, when your braces come on, them teeth gonna be extra straight.
Them boy ready?
Yes, I have to be a model, do commercials and stuff. You practicing for when you get to the beach, how you gonna take it off? Let me see, you gonna take it off when you get to the beach? Start over?
I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do my feet like that right there.
Really?
Walking around butt naked. But it is illegal. Now where we're going to
Yes, sir.
Sucks on that.
No, not yet. Probably.
And my foot.
On the beach. You excited, buddy? So what you think about the trip so far? I gotta get watch to get the food. Got him. Got him. Why you let him get the food? Why you let him get the food? Headed back. Back to the boat. Did y'all enjoy yourselves? The weather is perfect out today. We was able to go to the beach, relax. Look tired. You tired, Zach? Huh? You hot?
I'm hot. I want to get on the ship.
You want to get back on the ship? Well, that's where we headed to right now. Ship is right there. What you say? You like? That's gonna be a good photo?
Yeah, for you. Let me get somebody to take pictures of.
I know, buddy. I know. We are headed back to the ship. Finally. That was a long day, though, huh? Disney
I was going to
cruise?
say Magic, but
Magic?
McDonald's came out.
You hungry? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what that is.
Carnival Glory or this one?
It almost looks the same. Carnival Glory might be a little bit bigger.
No, it's just
No, that one don't got a slide.
It's just further forward.
Yeah, that's true. So, Zach, did you enjoy your time?
Yes, I do.
You did? What did you enjoy the most? Getting in the water, in that clear blue water?
Yes.
Getting wet a little bit? Being able to relax? Vacation's important, people. You need them. You and your whole family. All being able to get together and enjoy each other's company, right? Why vacation's important to you, Mama?
Vacation is important. For one, you get to reset.
Uh-huh.
You get quality time with your loved ones, your family, or
Uh-huh.
you get a self-vacation.
Right.
Clear your mind, enjoy the breeze. Interesting.
Reset.
No, my
Reflect on the Lord.
That's it?
My favorite thing today.
Think of all His beauty.
My favorite thing today is being free.
Okay. Your favorite thing what?
Today is being free.
Being free? I agree. What about vacations mean to you, buddy?
Happy. Nope. You lay back, stay with the family.
You know what I'm saying? Well, chilling. That's what I'm talking about.
You okay? Huh? Let me see, you got a... Wait, Zach, how was it? You got a bunch of holes in your nose. It was scary?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes.
Want to do the yellow one?
No. Oh, you do the yellow one?
Thank you. You're not doing it anymore? KJ, you good?
Here we are at the Sunset Restaurant, Sunrise Restaurant. Jack, come on, buddy. Eating dinner.
You gotta do your scene. Louder. Louder. You gotta do the long one.
What the heck carnival got going on? I don't know what that is, but I ain't eating that. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I have no idea. Nah, they can have that one. Yeah, they can have that one. This is pretty good. Carnival did better with this one. But you got the spare ribs. That looks good. He done ate everything over there. Chicken parmesan. That look good. That look good. Oh yeah. Meal for champions. Go ahead, Carnival. That onion soup, I don't know what y'all was doing with that one though. But no, everything else is rocking. Everything else is rocking. Good to go? What'd you say your favorite part was?
No, I like this change from you.
What?
Walking around, making new friends, playing basketball, going to the games, bingo, all that.
You win anything? You
No,
didn't win nothing?
because I can't wear no slippers on the basketball match.
Yeah, I mean, you want hurt. They don't want you to hurt
But it's free
yourself.
throws.
Hey, how about you?
The one slide. Oh,
Water slide?
I was like this.
Oh yeah, another thing. That water slide, I was not expecting it would be fast at the end. I was sounding like a duck. Y'all seen the video. So I was sounding like a duck.
Yeah.
And total fair at the end. You'll see my face and you'll see my face.
Okay,
Y'all be
we'll
ready
see
for
it.
that.
We'll see it.
Yeah. Comment down below. Subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. How about you, pretty lady?
I enjoyed everything, but my favorite part is the beach. The weather was perfect, that blue water. And be with my family, like I said earlier.
That's what's up. Family is the key. Family is the key. So what y'all enjoy so far? Day 4. What y'all enjoy so far the most?
Oh man, the bingo. I was 2 away
Yeah,
from
you
winning
was.
close to $1,000.
Yeah, you was 2 numbers away.
It's 1,015.
But they actually won 100.
So what you enjoy?
Spending time with y'all.
Spending time with us? Oh. What other activities did you enjoy? thing right there.
Best thing right there. Food is good. I tried some different things, man.
Yes, you did.
Really good.
I bet it is really good.
How about you? So, out of all the things you did, what do you think was the funnest thing you did so far on day 4? Huh? You don't know? You went on the water. You went in the water park on the ship. You played ping pong.
You made 2 new friends.
You made 2 new friends. You went to the arcade.
Say something.
Many friends.
Did
I actually play with them.
You actually played with them? You know their names?
No.
No? Okay. How about you? What's the funnest thing you did so far?
Meeting new people, basketball. You know.
Ball on the court?
Yeah. My dad. So y'all can see the video. My dad was balling too.
Yeah, I did a little bit of something.
He scored 3 points and made an assist to me. So y'all expect that in that video.
No. Like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm watching GOOO.
Leaving the boat. Back home. That was a great time. Jack, so what you think?
Awesome.
It was awesome. Back to Charleston. Y'all had a good time? Y'all enjoyed it? You ready to go on another one? I'm ready to go on it too. What you enjoyed most about it now that we back? Going on the water slide? What you enjoyed most about it? Yeah. Meeting people? That lady there look tired. But we back, y'all. Great time. What you want to tell them?
Subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the like button, right? All right.
And thumbs up.
And thumbs up.
Please like and subscribe. Then get your dance on.